YouTube before, and one of them is adorable, the second one's sort of adorable, 1 like on each one. Anyways, I might have a YouTube channel. Anyways, I want to show you how to do fake burping, just like this. So, how to do it? You just breathe in, keep your air still in your lungs, and then just breathe it out, really. Some people can do it.
Hold it in your throat, right? Yeah.
Some people can do it, some people can't. It's a little hard. I was born like it, so yeah, it's easy for me. Some people can do it, some can't. It's just easy.
Okay, do it again. Show off.
Okay.
Awesome.
So,
Alright, virtual high five.
high five, and I'll see you later. Subscribe!